In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Camtasia. If you're using a CSUN-supported laptop or desktop, you'll need to install Camtasia from the self-service application if you're on a Mac, or the Software Center application if you're using Windows. First, open the Applications folder, then navigate to the Self-Service app on your Mac or the Software Center app on your Windows PC, open it, and then navigate to the Camtasia app. In this example, I'm on a Mac, but the method is the same if you're on a PC. The Self-Service or Software Center app has a series of applications that have been vetted and licensed by CSUN IT that you can install on your CSUN-supported computer without needing to have administrator rights. Under the Camtasia application icon is a button labeled Install. Select the Install button to install the software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, the button below the icon will change to Reinstall. You can confirm that the installation was successful by navigating to your Applications folder and opening Camtasia. If you're using a personal laptop or desktop that is not administered by CSUN, open up a new browser tab and navigate to the CSUN IT homepage by entering csun.edu/IT in the address bar. On the main IT page, scroll down to the bottom left and select Download Software. On the Software Downloads login page, enter your CSUN user ID and password and select Login. Find Camtasia in the list, then select the Download button at the right of the row. Save the installer to your desktop or Downloads folder, whichever is your preference, and select Save. While the installer is downloading, select Return to Software to go back to the IT Software Downloads page. Next to Camtasia, select the Site License Key link. Once the installer has finished downloading, double-click on the installer file and follow the prompts to install Camtasia. When you open Camtasia for the first time after downloading from the IT Software Downloads page, you'll need to copy and paste this license key into the box and select Activate. Now you're ready to use Camtasia.